Okay, night vision binoculars. These are pretty cool. Cloth to wiper, cable to transport data, carrying bag. Now, these are the binoculars. It needs 6 AA batteries. All right. That's the only negative about this, is that you need those batteries. Other than that, it's a cool device. Right here. This is where you focus. Okay, so you turn it on. Turn it on. Okay, this will probably give a better demonstration. This is in color. Right. Turn off the light. It goes black. Right. Turn on night vision goggle. There you go. Not bad, huh?
So this is a binocular set, and it's pretty cool. It's digital. You need to put an SD card in there, but once you do, you can actually take pictures with this button up on top. I think it's 5 AA batteries, but once you get it going, you can zoom in pretty well. I'm gonna zoom in here. Let's see if we can read the license plate. So that is max zoom, and then of course we still can adjust the lens to clear up the focus. So you can see here we can actually focus very well. But yeah, pretty good product. It also has an IR on the opposite side, so IR, so you can actually see at night. Definitely worth checking out.